Oh, YSL Woody, the rubber has just hit the road. Everything has just stopped. Stop what you're doing because this right here is about to get lethal. So the judge in the YSL case, she came and she said the prosecution would no longer allow YSL Woody to plead the fifth. She said if he begins to try to plead the fifth again, he will be locked up for over a year or until the trial is over. She said she doesn't know when this trial will be over. She don't know if the defense have witnesses to call, but she said that it's over 100 witnesses still to be called from the DA. Now this right here is some nasty work, and you can tell Woody is not happy with this. So we're going to get into this clip, and then I'll be back with some more commentary on the end. You guys gotta watch this.
Hello again, Mr. Copeland. Your attorney, Mr. Melnick, is with us by Zoom right now. You can see him on the video screen and he can see you. If there's any time you want to talk to him privately, let me know that. And I know y'all have had an opportunity since you and I spoke this morning from the bench in the stand to talk about the fact that the state is not interested in you pleading the fifth, and in order to avoid you pleading the fifth, they have secured an order that says you now can be essentially compelled to testify because we are acknowledging that anything that you say, we cannot prosecute you for a crime other than perjury or false statements based on something that you might say that would otherwise incriminate you if it weren't for this immunity order. And if knowing that you still choose not to testify, the court can and will hold you in contempt. And what happens in that event is that you go to jail. And the length of time that you could be held in jail for, if you don't change your mind and say, okay, I guess I will take the stand, is through the end of this trial. I don't know how long it's going to last. I think previous projections had been February or March of next year. I don't know yet, but I guess that's not outside the realm of possibility. But it would only be through the end of this trial. It would not be through the end of whomever else might be severed from this case and tried later. And I know Mr. Melnick's talked to you in more detail about that. So I want to see if you have any questions of the court about that.
I didn't understand. Now you said at the beginning.
Didn't understand anything. All right, so...
No, I'm saying, I heard you, but I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, so tell me what it is that you'd like more information about.
You said something about what they said about immunity?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Okay. Does anybody... I think I've got the order. Mr. Melnick, have you reviewed the immunity order with him?
Oh, yeah. It's the same from last time?
Hang on a second. Yeah, the same one as last time. Yeah. This one. So that's the one I'm talking about. And that is still in effect.
TV.
So you're saying that changed?
It has not changed.
All right.
So what has changed is, it's my opinion that I cannot hold you in jail if you refuse to testify beyond the end of this trial. I think you had maybe been told something different earlier. And I don't think that is...
So I ain't got to wait till every defendant that's not here.
Correct. But you would, if you choose not to testify despite this order, you would potentially be held in jail through the end of this trial, which might be February of next year, might be March of next year. I really don't know. It ends when it ends. And the state has 100 more witnesses, and I don't know, any defendant might also have witnesses. So it could take a while. But that would be the end of it, would be the end of this trial. Okay, so do you have any other questions? Okay.
So it looks like YSL Woody, he's not going to be able to go on all those interviews and play those same games, those manipulative games that he played with the last judge. and the DA and also the defense, because this judge right here, she seems like she's a nonsense type judge. Now he's gonna have to really come clean with this testimony and say what he did or didn't say. All of the antics, I don't think this judge, she's with it, because now her reputation is on the line. Now, I hope YSL Woody knows what he's doing, because this right here can end in a bad situation. Now I'm gonna take you guys down memory lane and let you see YSL Woody in a state of shock, crying out.
YSL Woody starts to cry while in the car, sitting around reminiscing about the good old days he had with Young Thug and all the trouble and drama that he's facing right now in his life.
Day after day, seems like I put
you can tell that young man is going through a world
Pain, and he got stress all built up on his shoulder. I need you guys to drop it in the comment section and let me know, what do you think about this video?
Woody!